Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Rosé in the Air. So if you want to see how this palette works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I got this palette at Ulta, I think. Ulta for $4.99. They do have, it looks like about 3 other palettes this size in this similar setup. But this one is the Rosé in the Air. And I actually bought it to see if it would be a dupe for the Modern Renaissance palette because the colors are very similar. I actually did a video testing this and a Makeup Revolution palette, and that one actually won the dupe. So if you want to see that, I will link it up here. But we're going to test this product out. So like I said, this is $4.99. I got mine at Ulta. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades. 2 big transition shades, and then it looks like 2 shimmer and the rest are matte. So the gold is a shimmer, and then this color is actually a shimmer. I know my camera won't focus on it. But the rest are mostly just matte. So let's go ahead and start this look. So I'm going to use the bottom transition shade, which is just a warm tone brown. Ooh, pigment. Wow, these are pigmented, and that was just one shade. Okay, I'm going to, let's take this brush. We're gonna go in with the other transition shade, which is just a more cool tone. That way we can kind of build up the definition a little bit more in the crease. And we're just gonna go slightly lower than that previous one. Obviously, I'm gonna do a warm tone look. I mean, that's what this palette is. So, don't hate me. Okay, I think I'm gonna actually take the orange shade just to liven it up a little bit so it's not so brown. And we're just gonna add that right over top really lightly because I don't want it to be too orange. It does have fallout on the palette, but it's not that bad. And I actually don't really see any fallout under my eyes. I just see it in the palette when I'm picking up color. We're going to be really basic, and we're going to go with the gold shade. I will do it dry first just to see how it comes out. Okay, this is bugging me. So that's the gold shade dry. If you wanted something subtle, I think you could use this dry. But I don't want it subtle, so I'm going to spray it with some primer water. Let's pick up some product. Just got that all over myself. Okay. It's actually not that much more intense. I'm going to go back in with the warm transition because I don't want this eye look to be too deep. I want it to be bright. So I'm going to use that shade to blend everything together. We're going to try to take this really light white shade. It is a matte. At least it looks matte in the palette. We're going to try to use that to do my brow bone. So that shade is definitely matte. So it would be a good base shade if you wanted one. But it does look like a good brow bone highlight. Alright, I'm going to, is this gold? This is a complete side note, not the same company or same thing, but this is the NYX Pigments, and I just want to test it out on my inner corner. So I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Primer, which I haven't even ever taken out of the box, and I've had it forever. Okay, so I'm going to take the Glitter Primer, and I'm going to put that, oh, there's hair on here. I'm going to put that right here. Okay, and then we're going to take this NYX glitter. Ooh, yes, glitter. If you were wondering, this is in the shade Vegas Baby. Okay, I'm going to do my bottom lash line basically the same as I did the top. So I'm going to buff out the warm transition shade. If I can find the brush. Messy. And I'm going to keep it on the outer edge. Then I'm going to take the deep cool toned transition, and I'm just going to get that right along my waterline and buff that into the other shade. I'm going to go ahead, finish my lashes off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, so now that my lashes and lips are on, we can go ahead and talk about my final thoughts. If you did want to know, the lip is by The Lip Bar, and it's in the shade Kiss Me. So overall, I think this palette is a really good palette, especially for the price. I mean, it's $4.99. I think it's great. The mattes blended out really, really nicely. So for a $5 palette, I say it's definitely worth it, and I would probably look into getting the other ones as well. So that is all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.